Take a ride in the 2019 LEAF. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive and comes with a 1-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, multifunction display, child safety locks, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one cargo area light.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.